something completely odd.
Haley, shut up.
But it is.
Well, I'm gonna have to delete this because you spoke.
But it's not moving barely.
Don't blow on it, leave it alone. It's gotta dry out, that's why it's not moving much.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Are you videotaping this? You're dumb.
Mm-hmm.
It's so cute. Can I lick it?
I wouldn't get it on video, so you'd have to do it from the other side.
Why wouldn't you get it on video?
You shut up.
So.
Who's Emma?
One of the girls that Tyler always hangs out with.
Well, at least it's not the one that kissed.
Yeah, but he was talking about her today too. It's like that picture with
Roar.
me and Josie. Yeah, I get tan. I was like,
Giant cicada will eat your soul.
all I said was, yeah, I know, Dot. I was like, yeah.
Is that water still running?
Mom, look how up close I'm getting on this thing.
I was gonna lick it. I was thinking
Oh, it's
about
kind of
it.
scary. That's disgusting.
Why? It's coming out of its shell. It's nice and clean. Can I lick it? You should videotape me licking it.
You have to do it from the angle that I can get light.
Fine. Mom, shut up. I'm gonna lick it. Nah. Ew.
Ew.
Did you get it?
Yes, I'm putting that on YouTube.
I liked it.
I'm gonna tell Tyler to look at it.
I liked it.
I'm texting Tyler.
No, but he hasn't been texting me back at all. It's kind of frustrating. But yeah, that, I don't know. I get
I'm also
frustrated
getting your guys' argument on this.
with that Emma chick person. I don't know. Well, I know her. She's,
Roar, he will eat you.
I don't know.
How do you
It's
spell
just-
cicada?
C-I-C-A-D-E. C-I-C-A-D-A.
But yeah, that just sort of bothered me a little bit. Can you?
Gigantocicada
See why, Mom?
will eat your
Yes.
soul.
Yeah.
My sister licked it. She's stupid.